best beginner motorcycle Kawasaki Versys-X 300. Selecting your first motorcycle is a momentous decision, one that can shape your journey as a rider. Amidst the diverse array of options, the Kawasaki Versys-X 300 consistently emerges as a top pick for novice riders seeking adventure. In this comprehensive article, we will delve into the reasons why the Kawasaki Versys-X 300 stands out as an ideal choice for beginners. We will explore its features, performance capabilities, adventure-ready design, and the exciting riding experience it offers. Kawasaki's legacy of excellence. Kawasaki, a renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, has a storied history of producing exceptional motorcycles. With decades of engineering expertise and innovation, Kawasaki has carved a respected niche for itself in the motorcycle industry. The adventurous spirit of Versys-X 300. The Kawasaki Versys-X 300 was specifically designed for riders looking to embrace adventure from the very start of their motorcycling journey. It offers a unique blend of versatility, manageable power, and rugged design that is perfect for beginners with a thirst for exploration. A heart built for adventure. Powering the Versys-X 300 is a responsive 296cc parallel twin engine, delivering an accessible 39 horsepower. This power output provides an ideal balance, allowing novice riders to build their skills while still offering the performance needed for thrilling adventures. Adventure-ready design. The Versys-X 300 boasts a design that screams adventure, with a tall windscreen, long travel suspension, and an upright riding posture. Its aesthetics convey a sense of wanderlust, making it an ideal choice for riders who seek to explore both paved roads and unpaved trails. Lightweight and nimble. Weighing approximately 386 pounds, 175 kilograms, fully fueled, the Versys-X 300 is exceptionally light and maneuverable. Its compact size ensures easy handling, whether you're navigating urban streets or embarking on off-road escapades. Smooth and predictable power delivery. The parallel twin engine of the Versys-X 300 offers a smooth and predictable power delivery, which is crucial for novice riders. The engine's characteristics, including accessible low-end torque, make it suitable for various riding conditions, from city commuting to backcountry exploration. Advanced safety features. Many Versys-X 300 models come equipped with advanced safety features like ABS, anti-lock braking system. These enhancements bolster braking performance and control, ensuring safety in different riding scenarios. Versatile for all terrains. The Versys-X 300 is not just a road bike, it's a versatile adventure machine. Its long travel suspension, robust chassis, and generous ground clearance enable it to handle a variety of terrains, from smooth highways to rugged trails. Comfortable for extended journeys. The Versys-X 300 prioritizes rider comfort with a spacious and accommodating seat, rider-friendly ergonomics, and a windscreen that provides effective wind protection. These features make it suitable for long-distance journeys. Resale value. Kawasaki motorcycles, including the Versys-X 300, tend to maintain their value well over time. This means that when you decide to upgrade or switch to another motorcycle, you can expect a respectable return on your investment. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Versys-X 300 is not just a beginner motorcycle, it's an invitation to embark on thrilling adventures and explore the world on two wheels. Its combination of manageable power, lightweight agility, advanced safety features, and adventure-ready design makes it an exceptional choice for riders entering the world of adventure riding. Whether you're a newcomer to motorcycling or a seasoned enthusiast, the Versys-X 300 offers a unique and exhilarating experience. Kawasaki's commitment to excellence, innovation, and rider satisfaction shines through in the Versys-X 300, positioning it as a standout option in the adventure motorcycle segment. Riding the Versys-X 300 is not merely transportation, it's an opportunity to embrace the open road and discover new horizons with confidence and style. With this versatile and captivating machine, Kawasaki has created a gem that resonates with riders of all backgrounds and aspirations.